Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC in 2026 with spending no money at all. Now, let me preface this by saying you do have to pay your state filing fee. Anyone that tells you that you don't have to pay for that is lying to you, but I'm gonna show you all the loopholes and things you can click to not pay anything extra except that one state filing fee. And depending on what state you're in, it might be a little cheaper, it might be a little more expensive. Out of my control, but you guys will be spending nothing extra today. We're trying to do this as cheap as possible. So if you are interested in spending little to no money today on getting your LLC and getting your business started, click the link in the description below. I'm going to be showing you on my screen and you can follow along on yours. So highly recommend if you can, have a separate screen open or maybe, two separate tabs. That way while I'm talking, you could just click everything I'm clicking, and by the end of this, you'll have it filed. And yeah, so again, click that link and let's get right into it. Okay, this is the Taylor Brands website. I prefer to use Taylor Brands for LLCs because of the way that they break everything down for you, and you know exactly what you're spending and not spending, and that's how I can show you how to do this really, really cheap, because it does have that breakdown. So I'm gonna start by clicking Florida, but no matter what state you're in, it will be same with slightly different options, but it's pretty much the same. So now you're going to type in the name of your business. Whoops. Okay. I do eyelash extensions. Let's click that. What is your industry? Start to type in something. If you're not too sure of your industry, just take a good guess. What is the main category that you would say that it falls into? Now, the next three questions are a survey. So your answer just kind of helps them gauge where you're at in your journey, but it doesn't technically affect anything. Okay, we're blowing right through this. Let's click We Discovered Taylor Brands on YouTube. And this is just kind of talking about, there's nothing to click here. They're just kind of talking about their site. So let's hit next. And now, if I'm going too fast, you guys, that first part, you can just kind of blow right through that. There's really nothing specific you need to enter. Whoops. All right. And enter your phone number and your email. And you guys, this part is zero commitment. So if down the line you're like, actually, I don't want to do my LLC today, putting your email in is not that serious. Okay, and a password. Okay, we are on section 2 of 3. I hope you guys are sticking with me so far, and let's make this really cheap for ourselves. Okay, this first question is about getting an EIN number for your business. So your EIN number is absolutely crucial to have. It's like the social security number of your business, and you need it when you're filing your taxes, and you also need it to open a business bank account. Highly recommend to open that business bank account, separate your personal from your business. And EIN number is, you can pay for it, but like I said, we're not paying for anything today. So let's get it for free. You're going to click this option here, and you just go onto the IRS website. Oh, okay, there we go. You're going to go onto the IRS website and click EIN number. Right here, it says apply for an EIN, begin application, and there's 6 steps. You're basically just going to go through. Now, if you have your own business, it's just you yourself. You're going to click this one. If you have a partner, you're going to click this one, and so on, and just continue with the steps. So I'm not going to go through this whole process here, but the IRS website is the way to get it for free. So let's go on to our next step. It's just asking you, are you sure you want to do it on your own? Yes. Okay, every single year you need to renew your LLC, and that's no matter what state that you're in. So to get it for free, we are clicking I'll handle the compliance, and the government will notify you through email. Hey, it's time to renew your LLC. It's not going to sneak up and surprise you and then you lose your business name. You will have some warning about that. So, just make a mental note to yourself or write it down in about a year. Keep an eye out for that when you need to renew your LLC. Okay, we do not want a branding toolkit. I don't know if this costs money, but I'm not taking any chances. And if we're okay waiting for 2 weeks, you guys, it's completely free. 2 weeks is still really fast. Depending on, if you're super urgent to get your business started, you do have to pay a little extra to get to LLC tomorrow. But honestly, 2 weeks, within that 2 weeks, you can get yourself completely organized, get, all the gear that you need for whatever your business is. That way, when your LLC is here, you're ready to hit the ground running. Okay, an operating agreement, I highly, highly recommend to look into this if you have a partner. It just breaks down like the ownership and responsibilities of everyone involved. But again, you can find this online as well, or you can go back in later with Taylor Brands and get an operating agreement. For today, again, to save money, we're not going to get this. But this is something you can always get later. It's not like you have to have it to open your LLC. Okay, we do not need this formation kit. It's essentially a binder with like paperwork to keep you organized. Especially if you're just starting out, a good notebook or a planner works great as well. And a free bank account. Now you guys, keyword free, let's get it, because why not? Just check into this, but I'm pretty sure there's no catch with this one. This is just basically you can open your business bank account. Now, if you prefer to do it through like your local bank, that's fine as well. But I definitely recommend to get that separate business bank account from your personal. There's so many benefits to having it separate. I don't even know what the benefit would be to have just one bank account. You're kind of just burning yourself in the long run. So if you want to get it through here, amazing. And let's get notified about the status of our LLC. This is free as well. Okay, you guys, we're almost done. So I'm going to show you these other options first. You can click see other options. And yeah, we're just going to skim right over this. Let's click this light plan. I see $0. That's what we want. So here is the breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the Florida state filing fee is $130. Now I know I told you guys we're not paying anything except that state filing fee, and there it is. And this is the state mandated fee. Every state, like I said, it's a little bit different, and every year it changes a little too. So it might go up or down next year. It's impossible to predict or to know. And that is just what we have to pay for, you guys, to have a business in this country. There is no loophole around this. Like I said, anyone that tells you there is lying to you. Okay, let's go down. Now, anything that's blue means it's selected. So we have opted out of this, opted out of this. This is $30 a month after the first month. Let's deselect that because we don't want to risk paying. Free business bank account, yes. And our grand total is just the amount of the LLC. Okay, now you go on to paying, and they're just gonna ask for an address. You can use your home address, your business address, or a virtual address if you choose to do that as well. But that's it, you guys. You have just filed your LLC for as cheap as possible. There is no cheaper possible way. This is borderline free, except for the LLC filing amount. Some states are like really cheap, so lucky for you if you're in one of those cheap states. If you're in one of the more expensive ones, you'll make the money back within your business like real quick anyway. So that's it. If you guys have any questions about some of the options on there that do cost money, leave them in the comments below. I do think some things are worth it. It's just depending on your budget and what you're looking to do with your LLC and your business. So that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.